Hi ladies, this is Karen Horn, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about how to transfer information from a mock party in a Facebook group to the party that you are running for a hostess. So many of you have leaders who have a mock party set up for you, and you've joined that, and you can see all of the day-by-day postings, and you may be wondering and can't figure out, how do I get that information into my own party? That's what we're going to talk about here. The first thing I recommend doing, if you haven't already, is making both the mock party and the party that you're currently posting in a part of your favorites. Now, that basically means you're going to have it show up here on the left side of your screen under favorites. So right now, this is the party that we're going to be posting in. This is check out Jenny's Fabulous Jamberry Nails. This is the party I want to post in. This is the mock party that I'm going to be posting from. This is Melinda's mock party that she has posted for us. And if you're not a part of Melinda's mock party, make sure you request to be added to it. It's some invaluable information. So how do you make this in your favorites? So you open up the group you're a part of. So let's say you want to make Melinda's party a part of your favorites. You click on these three dots and you click on Add to Favorites. This says Remove to Favorites. I'm just going to remove it so I can show you that when you click here again, give my computer a second here, I'm going to add it to Favorites. And then it's going to show up over here on the left side of my screen. So the first thing you want to do is figure out which post you want to move over there. So let's say you are in day one of your party. There's a really handy search function right here. And Melinda has made it super easy for us to search in her party. So you make sure your caps lock is on and type in day one and hit enter. All of her day one posts are going to show up right here. So let's do this first post. The first thing you want to do is click on the picture. Once the picture is up, you're going to right click. Some of you may not be aware of that. There's a left click and a right click on your mouse. You want to right click on your picture and click Save Image As. Now, the important part here is that you remember where you save your image to. Okay, so you're going to have all these folders that pop up over here. Okay, and so I would suggest, it doesn't matter where you put it, you just want to remember where you put it. And so I would maybe put it in downloads. So then you can, this PC downloads. So then you can remember, okay, I'm going to have all my pictures in downloads. And then you want to name it so that it's just a little bit easier to find. So I'm going to name this Day One First Post. And I'm going to click Save. Then I'm going to close out of that box. The next thing I'm going to do is highlight the whole post right here. Just highlight it. So you just click over here, click your left mouse button and highlight it. Then you want to copy that. There's a couple of different ways you can do that. You can right click like I just did and click copy. You can also click the Control-C buttons together to copy it. So now we've saved the picture and we've copied the text out of the mock party. So now we want to go back to the party that we're posting in. See how quickly I was able to do that since it's in my favorites. I'm going to write my post. So I'm going to left click there, right click, and I'm going to paste. There's the post. Now, once the post is copied in there, as you can see, you need to do some editing, okay? So where it says smile emoticon, you're just going to backspace and actually put in smile. You're going to put the smile emoticon in here. Maybe get some spacing. And then this is very, very crucial. Where it says hostess name, you want to put in your hostess name. So since I'm doing Jenny's party, I'm going to type in Jenny's name. And then this is even more important. You want to change the web address or the website address to order, you want to change that to be yours. Otherwise, Melinda's going to get a lot of wonderful orders. Now, this is automatically put a link picture here because it's linking to this website right here. But if you remember, we have a picture that we want to post there instead. So we're going to go right up here, click the X, and that disappears. And then it came back because I changed it. So the next thing I want to do is going to click on this little camera right here. And remember how we talked about how you needed to remember where you put that picture? This is why. Now you're going to go find that picture. So remember, if you remember, we went this PC, downloads, and if we scroll here, there's our picture. If you click on it, click open, boom, we have the post ready to go. The last thing you want to do is tag your hostess. Make one more once over to make sure you got everything correct. Click post. It's that simple. That is how you go from Melinda's party and her mock party to a post in your regular party. It's all right there. So, thanks a lot, ladies.